Little apple droplings. These guys did not become full apples. I wonder if I can plant these. I'm gonna try. Why not? This guy's doing good out here though. All the trees have really come back. I had them inside under the artificial light. And they were all kind of dormant and not doing anything for the longest time. And ever since I brought them outside, man, they're all just all come back to life. Never happy out here. The apple tree. This is the only one that I've actually wired up so far. You can see here, it's got a nice hard bend on him. But he's doing good. Or she. Oh wow. Did this guy come back? I don't know what's going on here. Looks like it might have got eaten. Not sure who's growing here in the replacement. But this guy's doing good too. This is one I took a cutting off of. To make it shorter. It was doing healthy enough that I thought I could make a cutting and have it come back to, you know, right where the cutting is. And so these guys are going to be really nice bonsais. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them together though. Just coming in here to take a quick look at the catnip. It's all growing pretty good. Poblano, doing great. And we got over here the other one, jalapeno. They're all really ready to get outside. I've kind of just been letting them sit in here because we've had some really hot heat. And it's kind of cooled down now. It's down, it's in the 80s, so perfect. Get them out there planted here. And right here, got the light turned on. I should have waited till the sun came out over here a little bit better. Not sure if like that helped. Alright, there we go. Here we have a jacaranda. I put a jacaranda mimi, but it's like jacaranda mimo. I'm not even gonna try. If you typed in jacaranda mimo, M-I-M-O, tree into Google, you'll see what this is gonna be. And it's a gorgeous, like, draping tree that blooms these purple colors. They're just amazing. This is one of my future bonsais. I've actually had this guy sprout, and all the stuff around it's moss that I've collected from the Rocky Mountains during different hikes. And I plant the tree seeds underneath the moss. And it's a pretty good success rate with them blooming. They kind of pop up on their own time and different things. There's another one over here. And this is a Bristol pine. It's a pretty famous tree here in the Rockies. The oldest tree in the Rockies is a Bristol pine. And they grow really slow, but they can grow for thousands and thousands of years and get very, very thick. And I don't know what these clovers are. They popped up over a year ago. And they've just been growing slowly in here, which I'm fine with. This whole thing's got its own little ecosystem. But I've had the most success getting this seed to pop. But I've had probably 5 that have sprouted, and they've all died. This one's the first one to get sprouted inside the dome with the moss. And so I'm pretty hopeful for it. I'm just gonna leave it alone, keep them moist, spray them every day, and go from there. Oh. This guy's great. Again, this was a guy who had only a few leaves left on it by the end of winter. And you can see some of the old leaves right here. This is what they all looked like. They were all died. They were holding on. They weren't crumpling off, so they were still getting water. But slowly but surely, they were all kind of losing them. But boy, I put it out here in the sun. This whole damn tree came alive. Pardon my French. Looks amazing. It's doing great.